Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you guys how you can create UpScrolled account on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed UpScrolled on your iPhone. So simply open the application. After doing that, tap on create account. Then you'll have to enter your name, your email address and the date of birth. Just like this, here you can see I have written down my name, my email address and the date of birth. Now all you have to do is tap on next, and then you'll have to now create yourself a strong password for your UpScrolled account. So in here you have to make sure that you have write down the correct format, like there should be minimum of 8 characters and at least 1 numerals, and there should be at least 1 symbol and at least 1 uppercase and a lowercase. Just like this, here you can see I have created myself a strong password meeting all the criteria. Now tap on next. So in here, now a verification code will be sent to your email address. So simply tap on next. And now you'll have to now open your email. So in here you can see this is the code that they have sent me. All you have to do is simply write this code back in your UpScrolled. Just like this, here you can see I have entered the code. Now tap on verify. After doing that, here you can now write down your username of UpScrolled. So after you have created yourself a valid username, tap on sign up. So if you want UpScrolled to send you notification, tap on allow or simply tap on don't allow if you don't want that. And just like this, we have now successfully created ourselves UpScrolled account. If you simply tap on your profile icon right here, you can see this is your name and your username. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.